two ways to loop video in CapCut. So if you want to loop a video in CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you need to go with the edit section, go with a new project and select the video. And now on the right side, you'll see a little icon, a plus icon. You need to tap on the plus icon and add the same exact video. And you want to select the second one on the right side, then scroll through the options at the bottom and tap on reverse button, which is right here. Tap on reverse. When this is done, you'll have a loop-like effect. But if this isn't the loop that you were looking for, then let's go with the second method of creating our loop. So what you can do is just trim a part of the video from where you would like to create a loop. It's not possible to create loop in each and every video. Just go and adjust it, trim, and now if you play, then you will have the loop, as you can see. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.